have big news coming in. I want to immediately go across to that, but I'll need your perspective on that as well. Let's take a look at what's coming next for former Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. So the former VP now, he will soon have to vacate the Vice President's official residence. Immediately after resigning, according to our sources, he has started to pack his belongings. According to information received from our sources, Jagdeep Dhankar has, on the same day itself, when the resignation letter was out and about and published on social media, he had started to pack his belongings from the official residence. The resignation, remember, though was accepted yesterday, but he understands the protocol. Piyush, I want to bring you in here. So that is going to be, of course, the next step, that from the official residence in Delhi, he'll have to now find, of course, there would be an official accommodation that may come in, if I'm correct, for the former VP as well.
Certainly we'll get it. Sources have confirmed to us that our former Vice President ought to get a bungalow in the zone of the type 7 or 8 category with all the security protocols. We already know that Hamid Ansari, former Vice President, has his bungalow at Asper Road. Venkaiah Naidu, former Vice President, lives at Talpura Road. So for lifelong, this bungalow is allotted with all security protocols, and the Jagdeep Dhankar will also get a bungalow. But he has to vacate his official residence. Why? Because the post of Vice President is a constitutional post, and for that the elections will have to take as soon as possible. So after the elections, new Vice President will come, and then he or she will be given that bungalow. So that's why Jagdeep Dhankar will have to vacate it as soon as possible, and that's why we are also told that he has started packing his bag.
Piyush, stay on with me. So this is going to be the next step when it comes to the former Vice President, and there will be, of course, a shifting that will happen.